Hello children, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. So today what we are doing from grade 1. We are doing from grade 1. Okay. So the poem name is La Jawab Nani. Grade 1 Hindi. Please take out your page number 25. Okay, from your Hindi textbook, please take out your textbook, page number 25. La Jawab Nani. नानी का है गजब करिश्मा, नानी का है गजब करिश्मा, आँखों पर लटकाए चश्मा। नानी का है गजब करिश्मा, आँखों पर लटकाए चश्मा. So Nani means what, children? Nani means grandmother. Nani means what? Nani means grandmother. La Jawab means what we can say. We can say the very good, the very smart, right? That one we'll call it as a La Jawab. Nani ka hai gajab karishma. Karishma means the miracle. Okay, everyone loves their grandmothers, right? Yes, I too love my grandmother because when I was small, she used to tell me so many stories while sleeping. If I'm getting bored, she used to tell me so many stories. So that's why I love my grandmother. Everyone loves your grandma, yes? So, नानी का है गजब करिश्मा, आँखों पर लटकाए चश्मा. Nani means the grandmother, the mama's mother, the mother's mother, will call it as a nani. Father's mother will call it as a dadi. Okay, do remember this, children. Nani ka hai gajab karishma. So, grandma's miracle is very, very, what gajab? Gajab means what, children? The different we can say, the important we can say, right? Aankhon par latkaye chashma. Aankhon means eyes. Aankhon means what, children? Eyes. Par latkaye means the hanging. Though always our grandma used to wear the glasses. If her eyes are heavy in problem, if her eyes are any problems, like she can't able to see properly, then only they will use the glasses, right? So chashma means what is the, children? Chashma means glasses. आँखों पर लटकाए चश्मा, आँखों पर लटकाए चश्मा. पास बिठाकर हमको नानी, पास बिठाकर, पास means here the besides of her. पास बिठाकर, बिठाकर means she will make us to sit beside her. हमको नानी, our grandma. रोज सुनाती नई कहानी, रोज means daily, सुनाती means she will tell. नई कहानी, नई means new, कहानी means story. So she will tell us a new story. Every day she will tell us a new story. पास बिठाकर हमको नानी रोज सुनाती नई कहानी. नानी किस्सों की किताब है, नानी किस्सों की किताब है. It means the nani, the grandma itself is a book. Why they are telling like that? Because Nani knows so many stories, so many incidents, so many stories she knows. That's why they are telling Nani Kisson ki kitab hai. The grandma itself, she is a book like for us. Why? Because of a Nani, because of a grandma only we will get so many stories, right? Which one we don't know at all, right? So that's why Nani Kisson ki kitab hai. हर किस्से में लाजवाब है. In every story she is excellent. लाजवाब means excellent. Okay, so हर किस्से में लाजवाब है. In a single incident or single story, the Gnani is excellent. Okay, so that is what this poem. Okay, everyone open your page number 25 from your textbook. La Jawab Nani. The poem name is La Jawab Nani. नानी का है गजब करिश्मा, आँखों पर लटकाए चश्मा. पास बिठाकर हमको नानी रोज सुनाती नई कहानी. नानी किस्सों की किताब है, हर किस्से में लाजवाब है. Right? Okay, this is about La Jawab poem. Next we'll move to the one more poem we have, that is page number 40, children. Everyone open page number 40. Chanda. The poem name is Chanda. The poem name is Chanda. Chanda means what, children? Chanda means the moon. Chanda means what? Chanda means moon. When we will see the moon? At the night, right? At the night we will see the moon. What you can see in this, one lady is sitting and she is using charkha, which one Gandhiji was using. Do you remember? that one she is using, right? If you'll see this moon very carefully, then you can see this picture. Okay, just I'm kidding, children. चंदा में चरखा काते, चंदा में चरखा काते, चरखे वाली दादी. चंदा में चरखा काते. Charkha means, can you see here in this moon? You can see here one dadi. Dadi means what? Here just now I said nani means mother's mother. Dadi means father's mother. Okay. So what we can see in the moon? You can see in the moon one grandma is sitting here with the charkha. Okay. Charkha means what, children? Which one the Gandhiji was using? No, charkha. Right? That one. Chanda mein charkha kaate. So she is using this charkha. Charkhe wali dadi. Charkhe wali dadi. Dadi means father's mother. We'll call it as a dadi. छत पर चढ़कर देखो तो. छत पर means upstairs. छत पर means what, children? Upstairs. छत पर means what? Upstairs. You just छत पर चढ़कर. You go to upstairs. You go to upstairs and look at this moon. Go to upstairs and look at this moon. Like that they are telling in this poem. Okay. So what is this poem name? Chanda. Okay. You can see here in this moon, the dadi is sitting, the grandma is sitting with the charkha. Chanda mein charkha kaate. In moon, we can see the charkha is using by this dadi. Charkhe wali dadi. So this dadi belongs to, she is using this charkha, right? That's why they are telling charkhe wali dadi. Chhat par chadkar dekho to. Chhat par means upstairs. All the homes they have upstairs, right? To go up and we can see the moon, we can see the sun. There they are telling. Okay. Chhat par means the upstairs. Chhat par chadkar. Chadkar means we just go to upstairs. Dekho to. Look at him. Okay. Jagmag karti dharti. Jagmag. Jagmag means shining. Jagmag means what? Shining or lightning. Karti dharti. Dharti means what? The world, the environment, the whole world. Jhalmal jhalmal karte tare. Jhalmal means it will just sparkle, no? Like this. Tick, 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 tick. That one. Jhalmal jhalmal karte tare. Tare means what, children? Tare means the stars. Tare means what? Tare means stars. Chanda means moon. Dadi means grandma. Father's mother will call it as a dadi. Mother's mother will call it as a nani. Kitne sundar, kitne pyare. Kitne sundar. Sundar means the beautiful. Pyare means also beautiful, lovely. Okay. So how they will look? The stars look very beautiful, very lovely. That one they are telling in this poem. This poem is all about the moon and the stars. Okay, so let's read, children. Everyone open page number 40 from your Hindi textbook, grade 1, children. Chanda mein charkha kaate, charkhe wali dadi, छत पर चढ़कर देखो तो जगमग करती धरती, झलमल झलमल करते तारे, कितने सुंदर कितने प्यारे. So in the moon you can see grandma with a charkha, right? And they are telling just go to upstairs and look at that moon. Go to upstairs, look at that moon. The moon is sparkling the lights all over the world, all over our environment, all over the world. Which is because of this moon, the shining, what we can say, the asman, the sky is shining, the world is shining. So, and you can see over the star there. Star means tare. So, the stars also very beautiful and very lovely. So, that is about this poem. Please like, support, subscribe my channel, children. It's only for Kannada and Hindi, right? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.